Good morning. First, Madya Cadet Muhammad Rifal Azizi, register number 90.55.2111. Engine room tools. Good tools are essential if a mechanic is to do his best work quickly, properly, and accurately. Engine room tools part 1. Hammer. The hammer is very simple striking tool, being just a weighted head and a handle to direct its course. 1. The ball-pen hammer, often termed the machinist hammer, is very useful tool aboard ship. The head of the hammer is made of hardened steel. The handle is of hickory or other hardwood. The flat portion of the head is called the face, and the other end is known as the pen, the head latter being used for heading, rivets, and similar pinning or drawing operations. The hole for the handle is the A. Ball pen. Hammer are classed according to the weight of the head without the handle. The vary in size from 4 ounces to 2 pounds. Three popular sizes being the 6 ounce for light work, the 12 ounce for general utility, and the 16 ounce for heavy work. Number 2. The strike pen hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal in line with the handle, while the cross pen hammer is used for the same operation at right angles with the handle. The crow hammer is used for driving and pulling nails. Hammers with head made of soft material such as lead, copper, bead, rabbits, wood, plastic, etc. are called soft hammers. Soft hammers are generally used for a steel hammer make mar or injure the work. Never work with a hammer having a loose head. A loose head will eventually fly off and may injure someone. When using a hammer, it should be held near the end of the handle with the face of the hammer parallel to the wood. A grip just thick enough to control the blow is best. The correct way to wield a hammer is shown in Fig 2. Keep the hand and the hammer handle free from grease and oil otherwise. The hammer may slip from the grasp. Should also be remembered that oil or grease on the hammer face may cause it to slip off the work and lead to a painful breeze. Do not point the hammer handle, be using it for pounding or playing pursuits, sleds, or the sled hammers are used for heavy work. They can be suited in both single phase and double phase types. A double phase sled being shown in Fig 3 and vary in weight from 4 to 20 pounds. The handles vary in length up to 36 inches. Fig 3 3. B. Screws have three main parts. The handle, which is gripped by the user, the shank, which is the steel portion extend from the handle, and the blade, which is the end that first into the slot of the screw. Several types of screwdriver are shown in Fig. 4. 1. The standard screwing drive is used for most ordinary work and comes in a variety of sizes. The blade must have sharp corners and fit the slot in the screw. Close otherwise, it is likely to slip and damage the slot. It is also important that a screwing drive the held firmly against the screw to prevent it from slipping and injuring the worker or the ward. Number 2. The offset screwing drive makes work possible in the convert the track the will not enter. It has one blade forged in line with the shank and the other blade at right angles to shank. Number 3. The Phillips type screw drive is made with a specially shaped and blade to fit Phillips. The cross slot across the head of the screw have two slots that cross in the center. Each take the handle is of the screw to slide or the shot onto the finished surface of the work. Number 4. The ratchet screw drive is used to drive or remove small screws rapidly. Some screw drives have handles made of insulating material and are useful. The electrical work is being done when a screwdriver and insulated handle is not available. The handle of other screwdriver can be insulated by wrapping them with tape. While the screwdriver in Fig. 4 has a round shank, some heavy-duty screwdrivers are made is a square shank. The construction enables the throat of the screwdriver to be inscribed by applying a weight to the square shank, a heavy-duty screwdriver. Also, a special screw holding screwdriver are shown in Fig. 5. That's what I told you about the equipment in the engine room. Thank you.